I hope everyone's doing well. I want to do a quick video. I've got picked up a flex-a-lite 180. I believe it's the same as a 188, except the 180 actually comes with an adjustable external stack for it. I wanted to do this because I'm installing it in a Grand Cherokee 98 model. I think it's a ZJ. So the install should be pretty much the same for most ZJs, I would assume. I do have a 4.0 in this one. Now what I did is I want to do a video because when I did the search online, I couldn't find anyone that's really did an install on it yet. So once I finish the install, I'll do a quick review video once I have had it in the vehicle and kind of see how it's working out. I just wanted to do a video now just to kind of show everybody how I'm mounting it. Like I said, I did a couple of searches, seen references to some forums, but no one that's really mounted it. So this is the old radiator right here, and what I did is you can see it has two little catches on the bottom of the radiator, right here and right here with the opening. So all I did is take some aluminum angle iron and a couple of flat stock, I think it was 3/4, just bolted across in the bottom and top of the flexaloite fans. You have these same bolt holes all the way around it. So I just took that, cut it to fit, and it just slid right in the holes. And then on the top piece, what I did with an angle iron, and then I just came out with a straight piece. And what they do is on the top of the Grand Cherokees, you got a bolt here and also here. Once it just sits in that lower cradle pieces, then it just kind of folds toward the front of the radiator where the radiator sets, and it bolts in through the original holes. That's pretty much it. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video. If anyone wanted to put one of these in a ZJ, this should help them out a little bit, whether it can or can't be done. Like I said, this is a 180 model flex-a-lite, and I believe the 188 is the same unit. It just does not have the adjustable stat on it. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And like I said, give me probably about a week or two to get it in the vehicle, check it out, see how it's working. Like most flex-a-lite products, I don't think it will be any issues, but I'll do a review on it once it's kind of been in there a while and see how it does. Thanks everyone for watching.